Well, hello everybody. This is Uno. This is the first recording of what I'm going to call my Gemini project. So I'll fill you in on what's going to happen here. Okay, I'm going to walk you through everything. I'm going to start over here. This is Variac, just like Larry had gotten. And I picked up another little 10 amp Variac that I'll use for my electromagnetic testing. I got that off eBay for 24 bucks. Pretty good deal. Well, when we go from there, I'll come over here to my full bridge rectifier that I made and my amp gauge. So, okay, I left off here. Said this is my rectifier that I made. That puppy will handle over 500 amps. So it'll definitely do anything. This is my amp gauge with a shunt behind it, which is calibrated for the gauge. This bought as a little package. And then from there, it goes to my build. Sorry I can't show you everything on this build, but I'll keep it secret for right now, and then when the time is right, it'll all be revealed. And I have my two connections on the end in each corner, my gas inlet, and then over on this side, once again, connections and my gas inlet, and two outlets per side. Now that all goes here. This may not stay like this. I may run twin lines up, but for right now I'm doing this. Up to my intake right here. That's my intake for it. Got a valve so I can control flow if I want, and also for cleaning out and what have you. I left it clear so I could see the fluid that was going into the reactors. A little visual help. My reservoir, give you an idea how big it is. There's my hand. So up to a clear tube, that's where my gas will come out. I just wanted to have a visual sight so I could see if I'm getting any foam or anything. It'll come out and then go down these lines right here, one line anyhow, to the bottom of my bubbler. I don't know if you can see that. I made a little diffuser, and then on top of that is some very fine mesh stainless steel screen, and I mean fine. And there's another piece right there. Now from this piece up about 4 or 5 inches, I will be putting something which I'll show you in just a minute. And then it comes out back down that twin line to, yes, my meter. Now this has been improved. This is now a 2-liter bottle. So I will be taking 200 milliliter samples instead of 100 milliliters. Or 1,000, I'm sorry about that. 2,000 and 1,000. And then it comes over to a valve where I can shut it on and off. I'm ready to do this. I'm just waiting for some stuff. There's my distilled water. Waiting for some supplies to show up. So it's basically the setup. Now, this is what we'll be putting in for media on my bubbler. Said that one piece right there is fine mesh screen. This happens to be broken glass out of a car. It breaks up in little fine, little small cubes. And I'm going to bust this all up, and I'm going to use this for my media. I'll wash it and then fill that up. It'll go on top of that one screen in the bubbler. I'll put another screen on top of it, and then when it exits, it will be busted up several times before it gets to my tester here. So, okay, boys and girls, this is Uno. This is just the first of a few, and I should have this up and running in a few more days when I get my supplies in to start prepping the plates, conditioning them, and I'll be posting some information on what is going on. So you all stay tuned, and I'll be back. This is Uno. Bye.